Hello students, welcome to this online Alga class. Today we will practice reading some more words with double consonants. Now go to SR13. Students, in the last class we saw some words with double consonants. So what are double consonants? You know? When a letter occurring twice in a word. जब एक लेटर दो बार किसी वर्ड में आता है तो वो डबल कॉन्सोनेंट होते हैं. So let's start. Here is a N sound, double N sound. जैसे कि यहाँ दिया हुआ है DINNER. So here N came twice in a word dinner. N as a dinner. So double N sound makes N sound. N. Bonnet. 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 Winner. 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 Next is tunnel. Tunnel. TUNNER. Sorry, EL. Tunnel. Okay. TUNNEL. Tunnel. As well as some more words like running. Running. Cannot. Cannot. Manner. Manner. In. Planner. Planner. Okay. So students, here we use N sound twice. Okay. यहाँ हमने double N sound को दो बार यूज किया है. Next, go to SR14. Double T sound. T as a T. ठीक है. Kitten. Kitten. Butter. Butter. Cotton. Cotton. Button. Button. Okay. Gutter. Gutter. Mutter. Shutter. Letter. Bitten. Better. Next is double Z sound. Z. Z as a buzzer. Z as a pizza. Z as a drizzle. Sizzle. Next is whiz. Frizzed. Puzzling. Jazz. Fuzz. Fizz. Okay. When a letter appears twice in a word, that is a double consonant. So next, Sunny was a happy boy. He loved to eat pizza and play games. He once met his friends for dinner. On the way, it was drizzling, so Sunny got wet, but it didn't matter. So students, which words here are highlighted are double consonants. Next, jazz music was playing and he got to eat pizza with a lot of butter. He had it with some fizzy soda. His friends thought it was funny. So students, जब हम किसी एक लेटर को किसी वर्ड में दो बार यूज करते हैं तो वो डबल साउंड क्रिएट करता है. ओके. They are called double consonants. Now we will learn how to write the spellings of new words we have learned in this unit so far. Okay. So we will read about whole word. First word is match. 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 Okay. Next word is face. 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 Students, please read along with me. Next word is field. 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 Next word is MISS. 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 And the last word is test. 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 So students, you have to read these words and write on your copy. Now open SR19. Today we will read story about another sport which is very famous in India, Kabaddi. The story is about Kabaddi. The name of the story is an Indian playground sport. So let's start now. My name is Arjun and I was born in India, but I have been living in the USA for many years now. I miss many things about my home. I miss this sport. I played more than anything else. कबड्डी। तो वो क्या कहता है कि मेरा नाम अर्जुन है और मेरा जन्म भारत में हुआ है, लेकिन मैं कई सालों से अमेरिका में रह रहा हूँ। मुझे अपने घर की बहुत सी बातें याद आती हैं। मुझे मौके की याद आती है, मैंने किसी और चीज़ से ज़्यादा कबड्डी खेली। राइट, नेक्स्ट। It is an ancient 4,000 years old contact team sport. It was played by kings and warriors to test their skills. It is very easy to play. All you need is a ground and two teams. The court is divided into two sections. The two teams line up in each section facing each other. तो वो क्या कहता है कि यह एक प्राचीन 4000 साल पुराना संपर्क है। It was played by kings and warriors. यह राजाओं और योद्धाओं द्वारा खेला गया था। All you need is a ground and two teams. तो क्या कहता है कि आपको बस एक मैदान की जरूरत है और टीम बनाने के लिए एक कोर्ट को 2 सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया जाता है ताकि ईच सेक्शन में एक दूसरे का सामना करने वाली टीम की लाइनअप हो। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स गो टू SR 20. To start, a player from the first team enters the other team's zone. He or she should touch players of the opposing team while continuously chanting kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi. Then he tries to get back to his team's section. तो क्या होता है, पहले एक टीम से खिलाड़ी जाता है और वो स्टार्ट करते हैं दूसरी टीम जोन को कबड्डी 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 को लगातार बोलते हुए उस विरोधी टीम को छूते हैं। ओके, फिर वह अपने में वापस आने की कोशिश करता है। He tries to get back to his team section. अपने सेक्शन में वापस आने की कोशिश करता है। Next, if he makes it, the tagged players are out. But if the team stops him, he is out. Then it is the second team's turn. The team that loses all its players loses the game. तो यदि वो ऐसे करते हैं तो सभी खिलाड़ी आउट हो जाते हैं, बट लेकिन अगर टीम उसे रोक देती है, इफ द टीम स्टॉप्स हिम ही इज आउट, तो वो हार जाता है। देन इट इज द सेकंड टीम्स आउट, देन इट इज द सेकंड टीम्स टर्न, फिर यह दूसरी टीम की टर्न होती है। द टीम दैट लॉसेज ऑल इट्स प्लेयर्स लॉसेज द गेम। तो जो भी टीम हारती है तो उनका क्या होता है, लॉस होता है। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स गो टू SR 21. Today, Kabaddi is becoming famous thanks to competitions like Pro Kabaddi League. तो क्या है, आज कबड्डी है जो प्रो कबड्डी लीग जैसी प्रतियोगिताओं के लिए प्रसिद्ध हो रही है, फेमस हो रही है। तो वो क्या कहता है कि मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं इस खेल को USA में फैला सकता हूँ। दिस स्पोर्ट हैज़ ट्रूली बिकम द मोस्ट फेमस इंडियन प्लेग्राउंड स्पोर्ट. So students, this story is about Kabaddi. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Now next vocabulary words. First word is ancient. And what is the meaning? Belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. An example is we are reading stories about leaders from ancient history. Next is continuously, without interruption or gap. For example, it has been raining continuously for 4 hours. बच्चे ancient होता है प्राचीन, belonging to the very distant past, and continuously होता है लगातार, without any gap. Next is warriors, brave और experienced soldiers. Warriors होते हैं योद्धे. For example, the warriors protected the cities. Next word is sections. Sections होता है divisions of land. इसको हम खंड बोल सकते हैं, पार्ट. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फुटबॉल फील्ड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 sections. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पॉपुलैरिटी. मीनिंग इज द कंडीशन ऑफ बीइंग लाइक्ड एंड सपोर्टेड बाय मैनी पीपल. पॉपुलैरिटी मीन्स किसी चीज की खासियत. So these are vocabulary words. Now draw the table in your notebook and make 3 columns: new word, meaning and sentence. And new words are skills, opposing, encouraging and spread. For example, skills, and the meaning is types of abilities, and the sentence, Kabaddi tests the skills of a player. So you will write their meanings and sentence on your notebook. Okay, so these are the new words and their meanings and sentences. Note down the correct meanings and sample sentences. Now open WS21. Question number 1. First is, why does Arjun miss playing kabaddi? Second is, what is the player going into the opposite zone say? Third is, name one kabaddi competition. Fourth is, how does a team win a kabaddi match? And next is determiners. So we do it yourself. Okay. Now students, these are the answers for worksheet 21. First question is, why does Arjun miss playing kabaddi? Arjun misses playing kabaddi because he has been living in the USA for many years. अर्जुन कबड्डी को क्यों मिस करता था? क्योंकि वो यूएसए में रह रहा था. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द प्लेयर गोइंग इनटू द ऑपोजिट जोन से? जब खिलाड़ी दूसरे जोन में जाते हैं तो वो क्या बोलते हैं? द प्लेयर गोइंग इनटू द ऑपोजिट जोन कंटिन्यूसली चैंट्स कबड्डी कबड्डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम वन कबड्डी कॉम्पिटिशन. And the answer is, the Pro Kabaddi League is a kabaddi competition. Question number 4. How does a team win a kabaddi match? And the answer is, the team that tag all the players of the other team first wins the game. And the next question is, I hope I can spread this sport here in the USA. What is the meaning of the underlined word spread? Spread means to reach more people. Next is determiners. In each question, underline the noun and circle the corresponding possessive determinant. So students, what are determinants? Are you know? A determinant is a word placed in front of a noun to specify quantity or to clarify what the noun refers to. So what are the examples of determinants? Determinants include articles. Articles are a and the. Okay. Like cardinal and ordinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. Demonstratives भी होते हैं जैसे this, that, these, those. Okay. So these are the examples of determiners. Now go to SR 18, possessive determiners. So what are possessive determiners? Words which show belonging of objects to different people or animals are called possessive determiners. So possessive determiner is a type of function word used in front of a noun to express possession or belonging. Okay. Some possessive determiners are like my, your, his, her, it, our and their. So first word is my. It shows belonging to I. For example, I eat my breakfast. तो यहाँ my है जो किसके साथ belong करता है? I के साथ. I eat my breakfast. Okay. Next word is your. Your shows belonging to you. You क्या करता है? किसके साथ belong है you? Your के साथ. For example, you bring your bag to school. And next word is our. Our shows belonging to us or we. For example, we go to our home. So here we belong to ours. Next is his. His shows belonging to he. For example, Naman drives his car. So students, these are possessive determiners. Students, in this class, we will learn which words to use to show things belonging to someone else. Okay, look at the pictures. Next, read the sentences. First sentence is, Naman carries his bag to school. Next is, Kalyani carries her bag to school. So students, can you tell me with whom does the bag belong in both these sentences? Okay. So in the first sentence, the bag belongs to Naman. Here is bag है जो Naman के साथ belong करता है. Okay. Next is, Kalyani carries her bag to school. So here is the bag belongs to Kalyani. Bag क्या है यो Kalyani के साथ belong करता है. So here the words his and her tell us to whom the bag belongs. So look at these pictures and read the sentences. They carry their bags to school, and the next is the dog carries its bag to school. So can you tell me with whom does the bag belong in both sentences? So here the words their and its tell us to whom the bags belong. They carry their bags to school. Next, the dog carries its bag to school. तो यहाँ क्या है, जो दे है वो देर के साथ बिलोंग करता है, और नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में डॉग इट्स के साथ बिलोंग करता है. द डॉग कैरीज इट्स बैग टू स्कूल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ ओपन WS21. We have done these questions, so once you have revised it and do it. Now open WS22 double consonant. In the worksheet, identify the picture and use the sounds to spell the word. First, fill in the blanks with the correct double consonant. First fill up is WI blank space ER. Here what we will fill? यहाँ हम क्या fill करेंगे? Double N. WINNER winner. Okay. Next is TU blank space EL. Here what we will fill? Double N. TUNNEL tunnel. Okay. Next word is BU blank space ON. We will fill here double T. BUTTON button. Next is KI blank space EN. यहाँ हम क्या फिल करेंगे? डबल T किटन. एज वेल एज PIA double Z PIZZA पिज़्ज़ा. नेक्स्ट इज BUZZER buzzer. Right? So these are double consonant sounds. Now let's see answer. First is winner. Next tunnel, button, kitten, pizza, buzzer. Okay, these are answers of WS22. Question number 1. Now on worksheet 22, open question number 2, an Indian playground sport. First question is, when was the first Kabaddi World Cup held? Second question is, why is Kabaddi so important to Arjun? Next question, how do we play the game of Kabaddi? So these are the 3 questions. So you have 5 minutes to complete it. After that I will tell you answers. So students, now let's see the answer. First question is, when was the first Kabaddi World Cup held? The first Kabaddi World Cup was held in 2004. Okay. Next question, why is Kabaddi so important to Arjun? अर्जुन के लिए कबड्डी क्यों important थी? Kabaddi is important to Arjun because he used to play it in India and wants to spread this sport in the USA. It is encouraging for him to see a sport of Indian origin gain popularity globally. तो अर्जुन के लिए कबड्डी क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट थी? क्योंकि वो इसको पहले इंडिया में खेलता था और नाउ अब वो USA में इसको स्प्रेड करना चाहता है, फैलाना चाहता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू वी प्ले द गेम ऑफ कबड्डी? कबड्डी की गेम हम कैसे खेलते हैं? टू स्टार्ट, अ प्लेयर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टीम विच इज रेडिंग एंटर्स द अदर टीम्स जोन. तो पहली टीम में से एक प्लेयर जाता है दूसरी टीम में. ही शुड टच प्लेयर्स ऑफ डिफेंडिंग टीम while continuously chanting kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi. This continues when the second team started to raid. The two teams thus alternate between raiding and defending. Okay. तो इस क्वेश्चन से हमें क्या पता लगता है कि पहले एक टीम में से एक खिलाड़ी दूसरे जोन में जाता है. उसने क्या करना होता है? किसी भी प्लेयर को टच करके आना होता है. ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही वो क्या बोलता है? कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी. तो ऐसे ये प्रोसेस जो है गेम का चलता रहता है. So now we will first recap all the words we learned in our class. Open SR 18 concept time. Possessive determiners. So what are possessive determiners? Those words which show belonging of objects to different people or animals are called possessive determiners. जी हम अभी पढ़ के आए हैं. तो types of possessive determiners are my, your, our, his, her, its और their. So first word is my. My किसके साथ belong करता है? I के साथ. My shows belonging to I. For example, I eat my breakfast. Okay. Next word is your. You shows belonging to you. तो you यहाँ किसके साथ belong कर रहा है? You के साथ. For example, you bring your bag to school. Right. Next word is our. Our shows belonging to us और we. जो our है वो us के साथ भी belong करता है और we के साथ भी belong करता है. For example, we go to our home. हम अपने घर गए. Next is his. His shows belonging to he. So first of all पहले ये सेंटेंस देखो. We go to our home. मेरे से बाय मिस्टेक बोला गया कि हम अपने घर गए. यहाँ फर्स्ट फॉर्म है तो हम क्या कहेंगे? हम अपने घर जाते हैं. We go to our home. Right. Next word is his. His shows belonging to he. His है जो he के साथ belong करता है. For example, no one drives his car. Okay. Next word is her. Her shows belonging to she. Her है जो she के साथ belong करता है. For example, Kavya rides her bike. Next word is its. Its shows belonging to it. जो its है वो it के साथ belong करता है. For example, the dog ate its biscuit. And the last word is their. Their shows belonging to they. For example, they carry their bags to school. So these are possessive determiners, right? So students, I will discuss one sample sentence with you before you start the worksheet. So look at the picture. तो इस पिक्चर में आप क्या देख रहे हो? एक बॉय है और एक बाईसाइकिल है. ओके. So fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. He took, fill in the blank, cycle to school. So what we will fill here? We fill his. He took his cycle to school. तो यहाँ पे he है जो his के साथ belong करता है. ओके. So now open question number 2 on worksheet 23. First is, it is encouraging to see a sport of Indian origin gain global popularity. What is the meaning of underlined word encouraging? Next question, what do you think is the meaning of the word tact? Okay. Next is determiner. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate possessive determiner. So do the worksheet on your own. After that we will discuss the answers. Okay. So students, let's see the answer. First is, what is the meaning of the underlined word encouraging? Meaning is something that gives hope. Okay. Next question था, what do you think is the meaning of the word tagged? The meaning of the word tagged is to touch someone during a game with the aim of winning for your team. Tagged mean किसी को mention करना. Okay. Next are determiners. First fill up, we take our books to the school. Here we will fill our. We take our books to the school. Here we shows belonging to our. Next is, I play with my friend. I यहाँ पे my के साथ belong करता है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? My. I play with my friends. Next is, Anuj drives his car. Next, Namita likes her work. Next is, you must visit your grandma. The dog sleeps on its bed. तो यहाँ पे the dog है जो its के साथ belong करता है. Okay. Next is, they wear their uniforms. Next, I eat my lunch. मैंने अपना lunch किया. I eat. माई, आई है जो माई के साथ बिलोंग करता है, आई शो बिलोंगिंग टू माई। राहुल स्टडीज विद हिज फ्रेंड, यू स्टडी विद योर फ्रेंड। नेक्स्ट इज वी कॉम अवर हेयर, so these are the possessive determiners, right? So now we will make some sentences using these determiners. I will discuss one sample sentence with you before you start the worksheet. Okay, so let us see. Look at the picture and complete the sentence. First is the girl is. तो यहाँ पे girl क्या कर रही है? What we will fill here? The girl is carrying her bag. जो गर्ल है वो अपना बैग लेके खड़ी है। द गर्ल इज कैरिंग हर बैग। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द बॉय इज, so answer is the boy is riding his scooter, right? So these are possessive determiners. Now students, open worksheet 24 determiners. First question is, look at the picture and complete the sentence accordingly. फर्स्ट इज द बॉय इज राइडिंग हिज बाईसाइकिल। यहाँ पे जो बॉय है वो अपनी बाईसाइकिल को चला रहा है। नेक्स्ट वर्ड में क्या है? साक्षी इज, तो यहाँ पे साक्षी क्या कर रही है? वट यू विल फिल हेयर, यहाँ आप क्या फिल करोगे? नेक्स्ट इज दे आर, सो यू विल डू इट योरसेल्फ, अपने आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे। आफ्टर दैट आई विल टेल यू आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद एन एप्रोप्रिएट पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर। तो यहाँ पे पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर्स फिल करने हैं। फर्स्ट इज ही प्लेज विद ब्लैंक स्पेस फुटबॉल, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? हिज, ही प्लेज विद हिज फुटबॉल। ओके, ही चोज बिलोंगिंग टू हिज, सो डू इट योरसेल्फ। So students, I hope you have solved. So let's see the answer. First is Sakshi is writing or doing her homework. मे बी वो राइट कर रही है या हम राइट भी लिख सकते हैं और डूइंग भी लिख सकते हैं। तो साक्षी इज राइटिंग और डूइंग हर होमवर्क, साक्षी है जो अपना होमवर्क कर रही है। नेक्स्ट इज सी, दे आर ईटिंग देयर डिनर, वे अपना डिनर कर रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट फिलअप है विपिन इज पेंटिंग हिज रूम, विपिन अपने रूम को पेंटिंग कर रहा है। सो हेयर विपिन शोज बिलोंगिंग टू हिज, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज कोमल इज वाटरिंग हर प्लांट। नेक्स्ट द डॉग इज ईटिंग इट्स फूड, सो हेयर द डॉग शोज बिलोंगिंग टू इट्स। नेक्स्ट इज फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स with an appropriate possessive determiner. First is he plays with his football. Next, she goes to her music class. We eat our dinner. You clean your teeth. Next, the cat likes its food. So here the cat, जो cat है its के साथ belong करती है। I like my bicycle. I shows belonging to my. They ride their bicycle. The lion moves its tail. So these are the possessive determiners. Got it? So students, this is for today's class. I will give you homework, worksheet 22, 23 and 24. You have to solve it and write down. Okay.